Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb of Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and today I'm bringing you a video to show you my freshly out of the trash today Hoover wind tunnel. It had no problems except for a broken belt. I don't have the original, but off another one I'm going to have to throw out. It was pretty much just snapped like that one. So, anyways, got it working and everything. Excuse me. Happen to have extra extension tubes, as you can see. Put those on, and it only came with this, so I had an extra turbo net, power turbo brush, and then I had that laying around too. So, as you can see down there, excuse me, I put some cat litter down, and I'm going to run down to see how it goes. So, sit back and enjoy. The vacuum does have a dirt finder on it. I happened to get that, like I said, on my way back home today after picking up my Bissels from my mom. We had to go, my dad had to drop some papers off at his work, and we went by a house that had two vacuums. I wasn't going to really worry about them. We drove by, my grandpa mentioned they were there, so I had my dad turn around. I got that one and that same color in a Hoover Tempo, which is trash. I've gotten it laying in pieces and parts over there. Anyways, thanks for taking the time to watch YouTube. I just wanted to show you my new vacuum. Thanks for watching.